Hi, this video is to show how WebEx is used for virtual office hours and student help sessions. WebEx comes in both app version and web version. I'm using app version on an iPad. All you have to do is click on the WebEx Meet. I'm using this so that I can interact with students more easily, and I can write on this iPad using a stylus and share the screen with the students in real time and have a lively discussion and help them as much as possible. That's why I use iPad version, app version. I also use WebEx for web version to record videos. As a faculty member, we have the access to the WebEx. All we have to do is, let me walk you through let me share the screen with you. Once we go in here, this is faculty WebEx. If we click here, where we go is here. And as you can see, every one of us will have a personal room, and I changed my personal room to Dr. PJ's personal room so that students can find it very easily. And we can start a meeting, we can schedule meetings, and I have already scheduled meetings for the upcoming days. And start a meeting, we can do ad hoc, pre-scheduled meetings. We can also see the recordings here. And this is from our point of view. From students' point of view, I have created a link on my Blackboard course. When students come here under the course content, virtual office hours, when they click on this virtual office hours, it will redirect them to my personal room. All they have to do is install the software, which should take them about a minute or so, and that should be very easy for them. By using a link, we would be waiting for them during the scheduled time, and they just come here and click on the link and enter the video chat at whatever the time they want during that window of time. This is very useful. You can also use this to teach, but I'm using WebEx only for office hours, virtual office hours, and student help sessions. I tested this with my TAs this week, and it works very well. And I'm going to add that video at the end of this, so you can see how it actually panned out. All right, the recording in progress. Hi, Jason.
How's it going, Dr. PJ?
I'm good. How are you?
Good to talk to you.
Good. Welcome to Virtual Office Hours.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, looks like you have a question for me today?
Yeah, I had a question on what you think of my report that I've drawn up. So I'd like to share my screen with you and have you take a look at it.
Go ahead and share that with me.
Okay. Can you see my screen okay?
Yep, I can see your screen. Okay, that's the title, Solar Simulator Capstone Final Report. All right.
I'll send you a copy of it and you can let me know what you think.
All right, fantastic. How about, can you go down a little bit?
Yep.
Go down maybe to the third or fourth page. Hold on a minute, go up. See that E equals to HC over lambda?
Yep.
All right, I will write that equation on my thing, and let's work on that, okay?
Okay. Very good.
You can go back.
I'll go back to my video camera.
Yep.
Here we go. Stop sharing. Top left. Can you see me okay now?
Yep.
Great.
Share screen, start broadcast, okay. All right. What do you see on my screen right now?
I see Ohm's law, and it looks like you have a clean screen.
Yep, I'm cleaning everything out. So we have that E equals to HC over lambda. Lambda is wavelength. C, velocity of light. H, Planck's constant.
So my question that I wanted to know about the equation is that the same thing as saying that energy is equal to Planck's constant times the frequency?
Correct.
Okay, so C over lambda would be frequency.
Correct. H nu. So E equals to HC over lambda. That is also equals to H nu. Because if you remember, the reason for that is the relationship between velocity and frequency and lambda wavelength is nu lambda, or sometimes you can also use nu lambda. And here, in this particular case, velocity of light is c, so c equals to nu over lambda. You can replace nu with c over lambda.
Okay, that makes more sense.
So that's why E equals to hc over lambda or h nu, both are same.
All right, good. That makes sense.
It's good. It's good that you actually learn little something helping me here.
Yep.
All right, good. Let me stop the screen sharing. We are back. Can you hear?
Yep. Yep.
Can you see me? Yep, I can see you too. All right. So that's how. I mean, this thing is actually pretty good. WebEx meeting, especially you have a stylus, and if you're doing it on your iPad, just write it on your iPad. It's pretty cool.
All right, very good.
All right, Jason, do you have any questions?